Now that the Avata 360 has officially launched in China, we finally have access to all the official specifications. So in this video, we're going to take a detailed look at the main innovations of this drone. We'll also reveal the global release date and the official pricing for each combo. The first detail we need to highlight is that the Avata 360 is the most versatile and best value for money drone ever produced by DJI. As a hybrid drone, it can deliver high-quality footage in both 360 mode and FPV mode. In other words, you're getting two drones in one. In addition, DJI adopted an aggressive pricing strategy, launching the Avata 360 at nearly the same price as its predecessor, the Avata 2, or even a more outdated model like the Mini 4 Pro. The main highlight of this drone is its camera, which features two large sensors close to 1 inch. Together, they are capable of recording in 8K HDR with a full 360 degrees field of view at 60 frames per second, capturing footage from every angle simultaneously, with no blind spots, allowing creators to reframe shots later during editing. Each sensor has 64 megapixels, combining to produce a continuous 120 megapixel 360 degrees image. Its gimbal offers one-axis mechanical stabilization, which, combined with rock-steady electronic stabilization, delivers smooth and stable footage in virtually any condition. Each lens will feature an impressive 200-degree field of view and an 1.9 aperture. This is the key feature that makes the drone's body effectively invisible, as the captured footage is automatically stitched together to create a seamless 360-degree image. When it's in FPV mode, it uses only one of its lenses facing forward, turning the Avata 360 into the best FPV drone ever made, as it has the same agility and maneuverability as the Avata 2, but features a wide-angle lens with a nearly 1-inch sensor, capable of recording in 4K at 60 frames per second, delivering high-quality images even in low-light environments. And it can also simulate camera rotation at any angle during editing. And despite being an FPV drone, it has such advanced features that it can also capture impressive cinematic footage, almost as good as the DJI Mini 5 Pro. The range of the Avata 360 is 20 kilometers, as it uses the proven O4 Plus transmission technology, which is very stable and reliable. In addition, this system is fully compatible with the latest DJI controllers. This makes the Avata 360 more accessible, as it is also being sold in a more affordable version that includes only the drone and one battery. This combo is ideal for those who already own controllers or goggles from other drones. The Avata 360 does not have optical sensors on the underside. It only features the traditional pair of infrared sensors used to measure distance from the ground. And this reinforces something I mentioned in previous videos. When flying in 360 mode, the drone will likely rely on a fully omnidirectional obstacle avoidance system. But here's where it gets interesting. Since we already know it will only have 4 front-facing sensors, the Avata 360 could actually use its own 360 lenses as optical sensors, working alongside the other sensors and the LiDAR system to deliver very strong protection in every direction. The battery will have a theoretical flight time of 23 minutes, which means there is only a small improvement compared to the Avata 2, which offers 21 minutes. In my opinion, this is one of the weak points of the Avata 360. I believe DJI could have designed a battery with at least 35 minutes of flight time, even if it made the drone slightly heavier. After all, it already falls into the C1 class, which in most countries ranges from 250 grams to 900 grams, so a bit more weight wouldn't make much difference in terms of regulations. I believe that in the future we may see battery versions with longer flight time, since it is mounted at the rear of the drone, making it possible to design an extended version with higher capacity. Here we can see an interesting detail: the air intake for cooling the internal components. It was designed to take advantage of the airflow generated by the propellers, eliminating the need for an additional fan, which would increase the weight of the drone. In this other image, the camera module is highlighted, featuring a single-axis gimbal. This gimbal will rotate 90 degrees to switch between FPV mode and 360 mode. We can also clearly see the replaceable lens system, which includes small grooves to make it easier to unscrew the lenses. Another visible detail is the front air intake for ventilation, along with the heat dissipation fins that help cool the 360-degree camera sensors. And now let's take a look at the official combo prices. The Avata 360 will have 4 different combo options. The first one will include only the drone and 1 battery. This combo is designed for people who already have controllers or goggles from other drones. Its price will be €459. However, this is the reference price for the Chinese market, and in the global market the final price will certainly be higher. The second option is the Fly More combo with the RC2. This combo will include the drone, the RC2 controller, a carrying bag, 3 batteries, a smart charging hub, and the basic accessories. Its price in China is around €939. The third option is the FPV Fly More combo, which will include the drone, the RC Motion 3, the goggles N3, along with the same accessories from the previous combo. This combo will also be priced at €939. And finally, we have a new option, the Premium combo. This package will offer a complete flying experience, as it will include the RC2 for those who prefer flying in normal mode, and also the goggles N3 for those who enjoy flying in FPV mode. In addition, it will include the same accessories as the previous combos. This combo will be priced at €1,159. The prices of some accessories were also revealed. The intelligent battery will cost €79. The replacement lens kit will cost €21. And the propellers will be priced at approximately €9 each. And to wrap up this video, let's talk about the official global release date. We already know that the launch in the Chinese market took place at the end of last month, on March 26th. And DJI typically follows a pattern of releasing globally 15 days later, which in this case will be April 9th. In other words, we're just a few days away from seeing this drone officially launched to the rest of the world. Now all that's left is to wait and see the final price for consumers, including distribution costs and local taxes. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.